Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Introduction to Machine Learning with Python, a beginner's tutorial. Machine learning is a powerful field that enables computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Python, with its rich ecosystem of libraries, is a popular choice for machine learning development. In this tutorial, we'll provide an introduction to machine learning using Python and walk through a simple example using a popular machine learning library, scikit-learn. Before diving into machine learning, make sure you have the following installed. For this tutorial, let's use a simple dataset for linear regression. You can replace it with your own dataset later. In this example, we'll use a linear regression model. Congratulations! You've just built a simple machine learning model using Python and scikit-learn. This tutorial covered the basic steps of loading data, splitting it into training and testing sets, building a model, making predictions, evaluating the model, and visualizing the results. This is just the beginning. As you delve deeper into machine learning, you'll encounter more complex models, techniques, and datasets. Happy coding! ChatGPT.